Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weeklies from 9th till 15th of November, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Cancerians. And if you want a personal reading by me, you can DM me or message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. And the link for both my pages are also given in the description box below, so you can DM me there. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so today I'm using one oracle card, that is the Moonology Oracle deck for you, and we will see what is the direct message from the universe from the Moonology deck for my Cancerians. One card please for my Cancer for the week 9th till 15th of November. Angels, spirits and guides, please tell me what is the message for my Cancerians. For my Cancers, Moonology deck, what is there for my Cancers? One card. So many. Okay, so we have a card over here. So we have, don't let your past hold you back. Okay, and at the back we have, it's time to take an action. So let's see what do we have for my Cancer. Really, so this is a new moon in Aries, so might be dealing with an Aries over here. So if you are, so the messages which I'm getting from these two cards is, you know, when your behavior is actually dependent upon what you think. So you know, you have to stop thinking and start doing now, because it's time to take an action. And it's like, you know, you are just holding on to your past and you're not able to do anything. It's like you are just stuck at the moment right now, and you have to move now. You have to do something. That is why this card is telling us. Maybe your heart is also telling you, but you are not able to do because you are stuck in your past energies. Let's see what is. And you know, Gemini has also got this, don't let your past hold you back. In fact, their tagline is also this, don't let your past. So it might be dealing with a Gemini as well, or you might be a Gemini or Cancer cusp, you know, around 2021-22 January, sorry, 2021-22 or 23 of June. Okay, so many cards are falling. Okay, so what is there? What is happening? Okay, 3 shuffles please now for my Cancers, 9th till 15th of November. Cancers, let's see. So at the back of the deck we have 8 of Swords. So just now I was talking to you like you are stuck in your past energies, and here your stucking card is. Okay, this is a card of you, and this is your person. He or she is also stuck. So I'm really getting that both of you are doing nothing. There is like both are behaving as if nothing is going on. In fact, there's a lot to talk about, lot to feel about, but you are not even talking, you are not even doing anything, you are doing nothing. You know, both are in that stage now, right now, Cancer. You also want to talk, they also want to talk, but they are also silent, you are also silent. So this is really something which is happening to you right now. Okay, so what do we have? 4 of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. So regarding the relationship, I'm seeing that they are not doing anything, but regarding their work, their career life, they are doing a lot. But you on the other side, Cancer, you are like, You are stuck at the moment. You want to do a lot of things, but you are holding back to your past. And this is what, don't let your past hold you back. And this is something holding on guard as well. So you are holding back. You are not doing anything. You are not showcasing anything. You are not saying anything to your person as well. So that is what is happening to you. That is what I'm seeing. Your person is taking a pause, but he or she is, at least they are in a state where they are doing their work. They are not just holding on. They are moving forward. That is what I'm seeing. If they have taken a pause from this relationship, they have not taken a pause from the life, right? But you have. Okay, Cancer. So it's time to just move. See, again, Knight of Pentacles, not moving anywhere. You are just holding back. You are just standing there waiting for your person, still offering your pentacles, still offering your whatever you have to give to your person. You're still there. Okay, you are not moving forward. That is what I'm seeing. With the Wheel of Fortune, they are finding luck. They are finding happiness in the situation. I'm seeing they are moving forward to me, as it is looking like that, Cancer. Three of Swords for you again. See, so this is you. This is like, you are in a place where your mind has stopped working now. Your mind is not telling you. Your mind is actually gaining all the negative energies from around the universe. That is what you are doing, because the love is affecting you so much that your heart is, you are feeling distressed, you are feeling sad, you are not able to, you are really stuck. Okay, what else? Death. So with your person, I'm really seeing that they are in a transformation mode, but you are not. You are still stuck in this energy. They want to end some things. Really, a lot of things are ending over here. If this is if this is a toxic relationship where you are not getting any happiness, you are not getting what you want to achieve, then it is something which is coming to an end, and you will never find happiness in this kind of a relationship if you feel that, because nothing is happening. Let's see your future energies. Four of Wands and Knight of Cups. So very different energies coming your way, Cancer. So when you stop thinking, the day when you stop thinking about whether this person will come or not, that day there is something happening in your life. The person with whom you are dealing with is like, okay, here I am coming back to you, but this is also looking to me as a very temporary energy. It's like you are celebrating, you are happy, because you found a way, you found a new way in the relationship, and there they are. They will come, they will show an action to you. They will not be, because they are right now in a pause mode with you. They are still thinking regarding you, but not thinking regarding their work, career. No, their life has not stopped, but your life has. So till the time they are thinking about you, they are taking a decision regarding you, that time it's really difficult for you. And the day you are going to be happy, the day you are going to show that I'm happy, when when your social media is full of happiness, you're moving on with your friends, you're having fun, going to places, meditation and all that beautiful positive things, that time your person is like, oh my god, what did I do? A lot of regrets also I'm getting. Okay, they are the ones who ended this thing, but still they will be the one when they see Cancers. This is the energy of Cancers, that the time when they are sad, they are fully sad, but once they move on, it's like no holding back now. So right now it's really hard for you, but it is not forever. Okay, Temperance and the Magician. See, this is the advice from the tarot as well. This is the perfect advice for a Cancerian. Temperance and the Magician. So this is telling me that this is you who is manifesting the positivity towards you in your meditation. You are doing some breathing exercises. This is what you need to do to move on in your life. Okay, this is really positive energies, really, Cancer. You are a manifester. You always manifest positive thoughts in you. That is why positivity attracts you, because you have that positivity in you. People get attracted to you because of your so much of that energy, that positive energy. All right. So which signs do we have over here? We have Scorpio and Cancer, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, and Cancer again, Sagittarius, Gemini, Pisces again, and Libra. Okay, so that is all from my side, my Cancer. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.